Raw power is initialized. The monolithic chassis of the Polar Titan is violently fused from the skeleton up.
Extreme force is applied. Master riggers violently torque the armored steel blade using dynamic forge matrices. The heart is transplanted. A colossal V12 monster is violently lowered into the
Lethal architecture is mated. Multi-AESA radar arrays and dynamic plasma welding violently secure the 800 horsepower source.
The digital spine is wired. Master tacticians connect thousands of dynamic nodes. Engineering
Precision overkill validated. Dynamic test matrices violently spin the crushing augers, confirming absolute destruction against frozen monolithic ice. Aggressive mobility. Monolithic run-flat claws are violently torqued to the massive hubs, prepared to conquer catastrophic snow-choked terrain. Invincible armor is forged. Layers of advanced ballistic composite plating are violently fused to the core, creating an impenetrable sanctuary for the crew.
Activation complete. The monolithic purging Leviathan, now weaponized with dynamic augers and AI dominance. Awakened containment is breached. The Polar Titan, a 70-ton industrial Leviathan, rolls out of the forge to execute its destructive destiny.
The thermodynamic heart is pushed to catastrophic limits, force-feeding the V12 core for maximum operational wrath.
Extreme force validated. Automated augers violently pulverize monolithic ice structures using dynamic rotational energy.
Ground zero of absolute environment purge. Thousands of tons of frozen material are violently launched per hour, annihilating the snowbank. Inside the control sanctuary, multi-ESA radar arrays track the chaotic environmental distortion, granting the operator absolute vector supremacy.
The spearhead engages the adversary. High-tensile armored steel violently carves the earth, executing the primary cultivation matrix.
Precision overkill under fire. Master riggers validate the catastrophic hydraulic matrix, engineered to withstand geological trauma.
Catastrophic geometry conquered. A 70-ton predator violently marches through the frozen abyss using unbreakable mechanical grip.
Absolute environmental dominance. A catastrophic wall of light is violently initialized, obliterating the
validation complete. The monolithic purging Leviathan, now battle-tested and environmental dominant.
The nocturnal void is breached. The 70-ton predator violently enters the whiteout, engineered to dominate absolute zero.
Uncompromising heavy-duty traction. Monolithic claws violently shatter the frozen abyss, converting pure thermodynamic torque into forward momentum. Lethal rotational geometry. The catastrophic auger violently spools up, tearing the environmental blockade to shreds.
High-velocity environmental purge. Thousands of tons of frozen mass are violently ejected to the nocturnal void.
Inside the digital sanctuary, the warfighter orchestrates the purge using uncompromising thermal optics, rendering the catastrophic blizzard irrelevant. Tactical nocturnal logistics. The pulverized payload is violently directed into heavy transport, an uncompromising high-speed supply line in the dark. Internal thermodynamic obliteration. The catastrophic impeller violently annihilates solid ice boulders, extracting pure, uncompromising flow. Thermodynamic defiance. The V12 core violently purges its exhaust, a catastrophic display of pure heat against the frozen void.
A mobile fortress of light. The Leviathan violently carves an illuminated sanctuary out of the catastrophic storm. The undisputed master of the winter. The monolithic predator carves its legacy into the ice.
Even titans suffer trauma. After annihilating thousands of
the scars of the absolute zero battlefield. Razor-sharp steel geometry, violently
amputating the weak. A blinding thermal inferno violently slices away the shattered geometry, purging the dead steel.
The mechanical throat is gutted. A massive crane violently extracts the fossilized multi-projection core.
A thermodynamic abrasive purge. Blinding industrial friction violently obliterates the scarred metal, preparing the invincible steel spine for rebirth. Forging the new bite. Uncompromising forged steel is violently hammered and fused into the core, engineering a fresh, catastrophic crushing matrix.
Uncompromising mechanical mating. Colossal hydraulic force violently torques the titanium studs, securing the high-velocity purge blades. The transplant is complete. The resurrected, razor-sharp mechanical jaw is violently dropped back into the armored skull of the Leviathan. The Titan breathes again. Rebuilt from the raw steel up, the ultimate environmental predator flawlessly exposing the thermodynamic core. A massive crane violently amputates the armored shell, revealing the exhausted 12-liter heart.
Cracking the vault, brutal pneumatic force violently shatters the sea's geometry, executed by elite factory workers with uncompromising precision.
Transfusing the mechanical blood, the scorched fluid is violently purged and replaced with a catastrophic volume of pure synthetic thermal protection.
Wiring the kinetic arteries, high-pressure thermodynamical cords are violently locked in, engineering a unified, high-velocity fluid matrix.
The thermodynamic core violently ignites. The zero-mile heart screams to life, ready to unleash
The final armor. The beast is violently smothered in a hypergloss industrial skin, erasing the trauma of past blizzards and sealing the raw steel.
The kinetic core is secured. Gargantuan steel locks violently seal the monolithic chest, forging an unbreakable mechanical bond. The containment is breached. The heavy steel gates violently open, exposing the resurrected The cycle of heavy industry is eternal. Rebuilt from the raw steel up, the ultimate environmental predator.
A catastrophic geographical failure, an absolute zero avalanche has entombed a heavy logistics convoy. The Leviathan is redirected to ground zero.
Vertical environmental defiance. The 70-ton predator violently marches up the frozen abyss, its thermodynamic core screaming against gravity. The frozen graveyard. Thousands of tons of catastrophic geological debris have violently sealed the convoy in an uncompromising ice tomb. Lethal environmental breach. The resurrected auger violently obliterates the catastrophic blockade, grinding solid timber and blue ice into pure shrapnel. Maximum kinetic authorization. The factory worker violently pushes the thermodynamic core to the absolute red line, refusing to surrender to the mountain. Microscopic thermal precision. AI-guided vectors violently carve away the frozen tomb, executing catastrophic
Forging the kinetic lifeline. Elite factory workers violently lock the heavy-duty shackles, establishing a catastrophic mechanical bond with the buried payload.
Absolute thermodynamic torque. The gargantuan claws violently bite the ice, dragging the transport. The mountain is conquered. The 70-ton agricultural predator dominates the ultimate frozen apocalypse.
the invisible enemy. After conquering the avalanche, the 70-ton predator returns choked by catastrophic, uncompromising corrosive salt. A thermodynamic fluid purge. Factory workers violently obliterate the toxic chemical trauma using blinding, high-pressure boiling water.
Elevating the Leviathan! Catastrophic hydraulic force violently lifts the 70-ton predator.
Brute kinetic extraction. Elite factory workers violently shatter the sea's geometry, amputating the paralyzed, salt-welded rollers, purging the rot. A catastrophic high-velocity abrasive storm violently obliterates the corrosion, resurrecting the invincible steel spine.
Uncompromising mechanical mating. 100 tons of pure hydraulic rage violently forces sub-zero bearings into the monolithic hubs.
The ultimate winter claws are dropped. A colossal, single-piece rubber monolith is violently draped over the resurrected skeleton. Lethal tension applied. High-pressure fluid violently forces the tensioner outward, snapping the catastrophic rubber track into an uncompromising grip.
Sealing the foundation, the invincible spine is violently smothered in a catastrophic chemical armor, engineering absolute immunity to the frozen wasteland.
The foundation is resurrected. The 7-ton predator violently strikes the earth. Its monolithic claws
reinforcing the spearhead. Colossal slabs of 2-inch hard armor are violently lowered onto...
Forging the ultimate shield. Elite factory workers violently fuse the heavy-duty plating, creating an impenetrable, uncompromising kinetic barrier against solid ice.
The lethal underbite. Razor-sharp tungsten carbide edges are violently torqued to the foundation, engineered to peel catastrophic ice from the asphalt.
The final psychological warfare. The invincible blade is violently smothered in a hypergloss industrial skin, designed as
Reattaching the spear. The massive 10-ton kinetic cutting apparatus is violently lowered back onto the Titan's resurrected hydraulic arms. The payload is secured. Gargantuan hydraulic pins violently lock the monolithic blade into place, forging an unbreakable mechanical bond.
The digital brain is resurrected.
Master Tacticians violently reboot. The thermodynamic core violently ignites. The 0-mile, 800-horsepower heart screams to life. The containment is breached. The heavy steel gates violently open. The cycle of heavy industry is eternal. Rebuilt from the raw steel up, the ultimate environmental